Welcome to the future of efficient procurement. With MachiningCloud, seamlessly source and purchase your machining items through MSC Industrial Supply. Streamlined, precise, and at your fingertips. Let's dive in. Navigate from the MachiningCloud homepage to locate and choose the specific tools and products essential for your machining operations. Ensure to check the Buy from MSC option to filter and display only those items available for purchase on the MSC Industrial Supply website. Please note that the prices visible on MachiningCloud do not reflect any discounts applicable to MSC Industrial Supply customers. You have the option to either create a new tooling assembly and progressively add items to your cart, or access a previously saved assembly from a tool list within one of your jobs, or from My Tools, where you can select the full assembly and add to MSC cart. After adding all your selected items to the cart, you can conveniently manage it within the window. Here, you have the option to adjust quantities, remove items, and view previous carts. When you are ready, hit Checkout. On this page you will have similar features that you can adjust for a smooth and efficient process. When you're prepared to proceed, click on Checkout with MSC, and you'll be seamlessly redirected to the MSC Industrial Supply website. Here, you can review and modify your cart or add additional items available through MSC. To finalize your payment, simply click on Secure Payment, where you can continue as a returning customer, use the guest checkout, or create a new account. After completing these steps, you can finalize your purchases and anticipate the arrival of your items. Upon returning to MachiningCloud, an alert will notify you that your cart has been successfully processed. Streamline your sourcing, order with precision, and elevate your machining capabilities. MachiningCloud and MSC Industrial Supply, powering precision in every purchase.